Namaste to all. My name is Jitendra Kumar Sharma. I am the CEO of Javik Food and Research Private Limited. For decades, we have been trusted partners in food, pharmaceutical, and chemical processing, delivering advanced solutions in grinding, sterilization, fruit bed, drying, and dry bulk powder handling. At our company, innovation is our default, quality is our standard, and sustainability is our responsibility. This year, we are excited to participate in Indus Food Manufacturing Summit happening on 10th and 11th January 2025. Here, I'll be discussing about reducing decontaminations on hygroscopic products using pasteurization mechanism. We are excited to unveil what's coming next, something truly groundbreaking at the exhibition. We view this exhibition as an opportunity to establish new partnership, explore business expansions possibilities, and positions ourselves as the leaders in sustainable food manufacturing solutions.